Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk about the E970M Merlin garage door remote control. The E970M has 4 buttons, which means you can program this into 4 different garage door or gate openers. It's also fully compatible with the older Security Plus, as well as the newer Security Plus 2.0 encryptions by Merlin. This means if your older remote control started with a C for Charlie or an E for Echo, this will do both. The E970M comes with a 12-month warranty, which covers it from failure due to manufacturer fault. To see a full list of compatible garage door opener and gate openers, head on over to our website. We list all compatible models in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this Merlin garage door remote, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next time.